Firefighters in California are doing their best to save all residents, including these furry friends. In an area ravaged by the campfire, crews heard meowing while they were on patrol. The firefighter got this cat out from the bushes, and the two connected immediately. The animal was burned on its whiskers and its paws. Crews fed it before animal services took over. And in Sacramento, firefighters came upon two donkeys in the street. They said they looked sad, thirsty, and hungry, so they gave them apples while animal crews were dispatched.